Open the Jupyter Notebook in any particular location. So we have to first check it that Jupyter Notebook is available in our system or not. If you install the Jupyter Notebook via Anaconda, then you can directly search the Jupyter Notebook. You'll find it out Jupyter Notebook here. It always open in a default location. And if you want to open in the particular location, you have to first check that this Jupyter Notebook is available in your system command prompt or not. So you can just directly open the command prompt. You can directly search it, command prompt, and just check the Jupyter Notebook is available or configured in your command prompt or not. Okay, just click on it. So yes, this Jupyter Notebook is there in my system configuration. So first, in case if it's not there, then you have to first install the Jupyter Notebook and configured with your command prompt. So if you are doing with the Anaconda, so it will giving the option to connect with the your system configuration, or else it default is available there, you have to install it. If it's already there, so you can open the Jupyter Notebook like this, and you can select your favorite web browser. I'm just selecting the web browser is a Chrome is here, and I click always, so it always opening the Jupyter Notebook in my Chrome. And always the opening the Jupyter Notebook in this location, default location, which is I'll show you what is the default location is there. It always going in C drive and users and your PC name. My PC name is MYRIT. So when I go there, so I'll find it out. The all the Jupyter Notebook file is available here, because sometimes we are facing that if I wrote the code on a Jupyter Notebook, I want to share with someone. So usually we are just downloading and sharing with someone. This is the very unexpected, yeah, we can say it's not a right way to sharing any our code with anyone. So if already available the Jupyter Notebook in our system, so we can decide any location there. So I'm just deciding the location is D drive. D drive. I'm just deciding the location, and recurrent learning is one of the folder, and inside the uh, video, I decided that here I want to open my Jupyter Notebook. So how can I open my Jupyter Notebook? So you can go to the URL and just type CMD. So when I just click a CMD, your command prompt will be open in this location. So in case this URL things is not working for you, you can directly open the command prompt and go to this particular location where you want to open the Jupyter Notebook. Here, there is no any Jupyter Notebook is available. You have to just write it down Jupyter Notebook, because your Jupyter Notebook is already configured with your system. So you can open the Jupyter Notebook any location. So in a command prompt, you have to just change it. Jupyter Notebook. Okay, just click on it. Your Jupyter Notebook will be open on this location. You can see. So there is only 2, 3 files and folder is available. Yeah, one folder and some videos is there, but there is no any Jupyter Notebook. So when I just create the Jupyter Notebook in this location, so your file will be stored in that particular location there. So you can easily manage your files. You can see I just now created untitled. Hope you understand this video, but if you find it out any kinds of issues, any complication there, you can write it down in the chat box.